Hey, this is David, Richter Scale Studios, doing a real quick video today. I was watching 3D Maker Noob the other day. He was doing a build and review of the Creality CR20, the beefed up Ender 3 like you see in front of you, but more professional with a solid metal base and the upgraded power supply and all that, but that's beside the point. Someone asked him what profile he was using. He was using Simplify 3D, and these are all customized by Filament Frenzy, a gentleman named Tom Jackson, I believe. And he got a link to his website. I want to link that to mine also to share, because it's hard to find on Google. I tried to find it by Filament Frenzy and his name, and you get all different kinds of links to his Instagram and Facebook and all that. Even his Facebook doesn't link to his website, which I should make a note of it, because his stuff is amazing, and he deserves to have a lot of followers, and because he contributes a lot to the community with this. His Simplify 3D profiles cover the Ender 3, my Prusa Mark III in the background. I mean, that's working on a tower from Terrain for Print, like a Star Wars style tower. I'll put links to what I can that's free, and also to what other sites I have my test prints from that are not free. This is from the Prusa Mark III already. This is a floor to a Star Wars style tower. I'm doing the roof right now over there. Right now I'm doing a kind of like a cargo truck from Warlayer's second Kickstarter earlier this year or part of 2017. This is a free thing from Thingiverse. Then the Floating Benchy. I like this better than the standard Benchy. It doesn't have the under side for the checking your heights or insets, but it does have like a thing on the back. I like the railings and lots of little detail in through it. I did a great job on that. I was still dialing in the temperatures when I did this, so it wasn't perfect. And then I switched over to some Total Pack, and I've talked about this before in videos. It's from Amazon. It goes on sale for $9, $9.99 a roll, and this came out insanely gorgeous. I had one problem with this Filament Frenzy. His infill percentage line is, it goes up from 100 to 130. This is a little tougher PLA, so I was getting a little bit of extruder clicking on one section of the infill. It would go away. Then I turned up the temperature 5 degrees and it went away. So it was more of a filament thing. And then I went back to his straight profile again. And this is from Warlayer's first, whoa, camera's out of control. Warlayer's first Kickstarter. And this is an orbital heavy lifter. And look at the detail on that. And this is, camera's not wanting to cooperate. And look at the finish. Amazing. And like I said, this is very inexpensive eBay wood color PLA. Look it up on eBay. I'll see if I can put a link below to it. But it looks great at $13 a roll. You can't beat it. And here's the tracks to it. Also, I think he puts a six layers on the top layer height. So you get really, this, I think, put it like this. So like the road wheels on these tracks look amazing. And even the sides. I mean, everything looks great on this stuff. And was another one I did was a Kickstarter from Rocketship games called Kolony. This is for like Infinity the game. This is part of a shuttle. It's got wings and stuff and engines that I don't have on it yet. But I just wanted to show you the finish. Let me put that around and see how the doors and these windows offset, but there's no zits or anything. It's really nicely done. So I think that is it. Oh, then let's not forget about Phil from Matter Hackers. I'll put a link to this. Everyone knows who Phil is. Matter Hackers is another great filament and parts company out of Southern California, I believe. I think that's where my stuff comes from. And look at this is a 0.2 layer height. Look at that helmet. And it just had these little boots. Overhangs were okay on this because that's like a real overhang tester right there. And I think that's the Z seam right there, because the other side was perfect. Just you can see like the little seam where I think it was starting the new layers. So I'm going to leave it there at under 5 minutes. Links below to everything, and I will see you in the next video. And as usual, thank you for joining me.